Switching networks on your device can be a little bit tedious. You don't want to dig through settings, so we made a teleportal shortcut to do it in one tap. Let's dive in and quickly set this up. So first, open your settings app so we can make sure you have multi-network enabled. There's more on adding 2 networks in this video here. Go into the settings app and head over to cellular. From here, make sure you have 2 lines that are on. To double check that they're on, you can tap in and make sure the switch is turned green. Now, time to download the shortcut. When you're activating multi-network in the US mobile app, you'll see a button to let you quickly install. You can also find it in the description of this video. If you're watching on another device, scan the QR code here on screen and you can download it that way. You'll land in the Shortcuts app. Tap the big blue button, Add Shortcut. Now it's here. The shortcut needs certain permissions to work properly, so let's tap the shortcut and allow notifications. This lets you know it's working. There are tons of quick ways to access this shortcut. Let me break them down. For iPhone 15 and later, you can map it to the Action button. Just jump into Settings, head down to the Action button menu, and swipe over until you get to Shortcut. Now you can choose a shortcut and pick the US mobile shortcut. Now, in an instant, you can press the Action button and swap networks on the fly. On any iPhone, you can add this shortcut to the Control Center. Swap down from the top right corner and tap the plus in the top left corner. Now tap on Add a Control at the bottom, scroll down to Shortcuts, then tap on Shortcut. Tap on Choose, and then tap the US mobile shortcut. You can resize if you want to make it bigger and easier to access. You can even add this shortcut to your lock screen. When you're there, tap and hold anywhere on the screen. Tap on Customize at the bottom and choose your lock screen. Now there's a little minus button on that camera and flashlight. You can get rid of one of these and tap the plus button to add a shortcut. So tap on Shortcut. When you go to Choose, select the US mobile shortcut. Now you can run it right from the lock screen. Another way to do it is add it as a lock screen widget. Tap the plus right there, scroll down to find Shortcuts. Same process. Tap on this one here. Now when you tap, you're good to go. Just give that a tap anytime, and boom, you switched. One last little trick I'll show you is to add this to your home screen as an icon. So jump into the Shortcuts app, tap on the 3 dots, and then hit the share button in the bottom right. From here, tap on Add to Home Screen. And you can tap on the little gray picture and choose a photo. We've already prepared one that you can find on the US Mobile blog. Hit Choose, tap Add in the top right corner, and you'll see it come to your home screen. Enjoy this revolutionary feature on America's only super carrier, US Mobile. I've been Anthony. Happy connecting.